No, they're gonna bite.
Come on, man.
But shoot him. Try to pick him up. Pick him up. He's not gonna bite the paper and hurt you.
Yeah, I gotta grab him. He's gonna...
Look, what's the worst that could happen? He's
I don't
gonna
like
die.
birds. I don't never touch a bird in my life.
So pick him up. I can't.
How do I pick him up with this?
Just poke him. He's gonna fly.
I want to see the bird. I don't have a clear picture of him.
Oh, John, come on.
Can't. I
He's
can't
gonna-
do it.
You scared?
I can't do it. I never touched the bird
Get
before.
up.
Like there's feathers all over me.
There you go. I'm feeling retard. That way. That way.
Yo, I can't.
Put something over it.
Put it in the bag. Something. That's hilarious.
Get off my pants! Get off my pants!
Wait, let him land. Let him go, buddy. Go. It's there, right there. Shoot, go. No! No!
That's hysterical.
Don't help me.
Oh, fucking Jesus Christ Almighty!
Leave it behind you.
What was that? Dust?
It's in your.
Turn over it now.
It's in here.
What?
I just inhaled that.
This thing is so scared.
Oh my god.
Vito, he's in back of your monitor.
He's gonna fall, this poor thing. Look at him.
Put the thing over him.
What do you mean he's gonna fall?
There's like a fall. He's gonna die from dust inhalation.
Go.
Oh.
I want him out there. I gotta get him easier.
What is he doing?
Good.
There you go. Go
Drop
ahead.
the shirt on him.
Do we have a box? Oh. Do we have a box?
Get the fuck away from me.
This is hysterical. I just can't. Where is it?
I hate fucking birds.
Oh.
You just throw it on top of him.
Get out of there.
Oh.
Oh, great. He's getting behind the thing and we have a dead pigeon.
Yo. Oh, shit.
I'm missing him.
Listen. Stop, go outside.
There you go.
You got it, John.
Can I close the door behind me? I'm not going all the way downstairs.
Good shit, good shit.